Oh, I'm not even compared to what they had last year.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I mean it's a little more, you know, oomph to it.
Now entering the field, the Sandalwood Marching Saints from Sandalwood High School in Jacksonville, Florida. Band director Steve Perry, assistant directors Cal Panera and Andy Grindle. Auxiliary staff from Marcus Nixon, Tessa Peterson, Travis Carter, and Louis Ocasio. School principal is Dr. Sarah Hatcher. The superintendent is Dr. Diana Green. Band booster president is Susan Wilkins. Recent honors and awards for Sandalwood High School: superior ratings in marching, music, guard, and drum major at the Fleming Island Invitational, and 5th place in the Grand Championship Finals. Drum major is Harrison Hawthorne. Band captain is Natalia Eaton. Band officers: Eli Kelly, Clarissa Smith, Marissa McCarthy, Josh Pugh, Robbie Malik, David Grigg, Gary Deshonis, Josephine Wagner, Christian Touchton, Andrew May, Michaela Palmer, and Eli Graham. Tonight's show is called One Small Step, the 60s, a decade that changed a nation. Songs include features the music of the Beatles, Hey Jude, Eleanor Rigby, Blackbird, Yesterday, Sgt. Pepper's Lonely Heart Club Band, Ode to Joy, Magical Mystery Tour, To Tame the Perilous Skies, and The Long and Winding Road.
Go, Jaden! That's my grandbaby. Proud of you.
The judges are ready. Drum major, is your band ready? Good luck to Sandalwood High School. You may take the field for competition.
The 1960s was a decade of amazing change, revolution, and accomplishment in our country's history. It was a time of hope, the election of John F. Kennedy as president.
It was a time of civil unrest as Martin Luther King fought for civil rights. And it was a time of great accomplishment as Neil Armstrong became the first man in history to step on the moon. John F. Kennedy once said, "Few brave men have stood the test of time with their unforgettable words and astounding fortitude. For this nation was not built by those that left behind them, but by those that pressed on for a better tomorrow."
Ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. During the fight for civil rights, Martin Luther King said that life's most persistent question is, what are you doing for others? Because in the end, we won't remember the noise of our enemies, but the silence of our friends.
For hate cannot drive out hate, only love can do that.
Despite difficulties and frustrations of the time, I still have a dream.
I have a dream that one day my children will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character.
We will not be satisfied until justice rolls down like the waters in a mighty stream.
Now is the time to make justice a reality for all of God's children.
Neil Armstrong said, mystery always creates wonder, and wonder is the basis of man's desire to understand.
John F. Kennedy said, we choose to go to the moon and do the other things, not because they're easy, but because they are hard.
Peace is a daily, weekly, and monthly process that quietly and diligently builds new opportunities. That's one small step for man,
And one giant leap for mankind.
Ladies and gentlemen, the marching saints from Sandalwood High School with Jackson Blue